Hello and welcome back to the Druid's Den. Today we're going to be looking at what we've done with the exterior of my shed tiny home. This includes adding new windows, putting in a sliding glass door, and replacing and repainting the trim. The first thing we did was replace the windows. The shed came with single pane windows, but I wanted to swap them out with double paned windows to help keep it cooler in the summer and warmer in winter. These new windows also help with limiting the amount of UV coming in. So the first thing we had to do was remove the trim and windows. I took the windows out as carefully as I could to be reused, but unfortunately broke a few in the process. Thankfully, all the original windows were standard sizes, so we were able to replace them without making any new cuts on the shed. I decided to swap these two windows on the side out with a sliding glass door because I wanted another exit from the shed and to get more natural light inside. I'll also be adding another deck outside this door in the future. The windows were a little wider than the door, so we used some of the wood from cutting the doorway to patch it up. After getting the new door up, we started working on the trim. I decided to go with a slightly wider trim just because I liked how it looked a little more. After getting all the new trim up, I sealed them with caulk and switched from the original red color to a forest green. And here's a look at the outside all finished up. I think it blends into nature a lot better now. In the next video, we will be finishing up everything inside, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching.